76-79.
Till that point, actually, that's a big disparity of this game. Free throw shooting dahil ang Alaska, 8 minintis niyan. Ang Barangay Ginebra, 2 lang bago nun. And that's about 6 points difference.
And Kagiwa splits his charities, gives the Kings an 8-point lead at 87-79. Tenorio out to Punache for the open three. And mukhang may tatawagan. Mukhang natawagan ng foul si Mike Kagiwa as he tried to go after that shot by Larry Punache.
The times that Alaska has been unsuccessful with that zone, they've been very passive. Nandun lang sila sa labas, hindi sila umaatake. And you can see right there, umatake si LA Tenorio. The zone has to attack, has to react pag may umatake dun sa gitna. Kaya nalibre ito si Larry Punache.
And Larry rattles it home. A 3-point shot yun, kaya tatlo yan.
We can't harp about it enough. Ito, importanteng laro sa dalawang team because one team goes to the quarterfinals and the other one has to face ang Santa Lucia and then the winner of the Talk 'N Text Pure Foods matchup in the wild card.
Dami mong dadaanan eh. 87-82 down to a 5-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. As we go to the Outlast, 2 minutes. Atin sa inyo ng Outlast Maintenance Free Battery. Start agad ang Outlast Battery. Out of bounds over the top. So, malayo pa ito 1 minute and 52 seconds. And just a 5-point lead for Barangay Ginebra. And a very safe lead. LA Tenorio. Larry Punache back to Tenorio. Buwapwesto si Randy Holcomb. Inside, Sonny toss against Chris Alexander. Oh, pumasok! And the lead is down to 3. 87-84 ang ating score with 1 minute and 40 seconds to go in the 4th and final quarter. So, bumabalik na naman ang Alaska Aces. Ganun na naging istorya eh. Babalik ang raratsada ang Alaska, babalik ang Ginebra, ratsada na naman ang Alaska, Ginebra na naman, babalik-balik po mga kaibigan. Pero ito, 1 minute and 40 na lang ang nalalabi. So kung manawag dito, kung sinong rumatsada uli, eh yun na ang mananalo at papasok sa quarterfinal round. Okay, ito naman ang ating No Fear, Fearless Move of the game. Pagmasdan po ninyo si William Miller on our Fearless Move of the game brought to you by No Fear Underwear. Got the balls for it. Mas maray na banggi sa Indogabos mga tukang duman sa Bicol. Ito po ang inyong PBA wala sa Cuneta Astrodome in Pasay City. Junti Valenzuela. JJ Helderbrand against LA Tenorio. Back to Valenzuela. Here's Mike Kagiwa against Randy Holcomb. He lays it in. Quick basket there by Barangay Ginebra to make it a 5-point lead at 89-84. A minute and 25 to go. Here's LA Tenorio. Tenorio suwaksak sa loob. Down the middle. Mahina. And outside for Alaska. 1 minute and 20 seconds ang nalalabi. Okay. Using on defense yung mga Barangay Ginebra fans. Holcomb's open for 3. Good line pero hindi po pumasok. And as Chris Alexander pulls down the rebound, may foul na tatawagin to be on LA Tenorio.
That's right, good line. And nabanggit ko kanina, it's been a game of runs. But what Barangay Ginebra has been able to do, even when Alaska makes a run, hindi nila pinapayagan ng ang Aces na makalamang sa kanila.
Oh.
But that monster game again for Chris Alexander. Another day at the office. Yes, only 13 points, make that 14. Pero 25 rebounds ang dinukot na nito si Chris Alexander.
One more for Chris Alexander. Loose ball picked up by Alexander himself.
I can't blame anyone but the Alaska Aces. There was no one there to rebound except Chris Alexander. Eh si Chris Alexander yung tumitira ng free throw. No one blocking out that is taking the free throw. Cardinal. Kinalimutan nila. Naghahalo pang malas para sa Alaska Aces. Napunta naman kay Chris Alexander.
Yung buko pa yan, ha? And Alexander makes the first. 91-84, pito na ang lamang ng Barangay Ginebra with a minute and 12 to go. This time, Chris Alexander makes both. 8-point lead for Ginebra. Bonacier for three. Yes! He hits it. TM3 para kay Larry Bonacier.
I was looking at some of the Alaska guys, already some quit in their faces, but not Larry Fonacier. The moment he got that basketball, he was thinking, may pag-asa pa to, quick three-point shot.
Alam mo, itong PBA talaga, lahat ng klaseng tao talagang nagtuto ng pansin dito, lalo na pagka ganito ang laban. Kita mo si Gerard Cantada, golfer yan. Pero ito, nakatutok sa PBA. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Mr. Gerard Cantada. Abantala, ayun, ang tikada ni Larry Bonacier for his TM3. JJ Helterbrand at the line makes it 93-87. 1:03 to go. Uy, hindi pa tinira ni Willie Miller. Hey! Blocked by Alexander Alzaritos. Junti Valenzuela forward to Eric Mink.
You know, it's one thing to get the fifth foul of the opposing import, but to actually win that sixth foul mula doon sa import, yun ang pinakamahirap
Oo. Si LA Tenorio, napadabog pa.